everyone! This video will show you how to use the advanced search in the RISM Online Catalog. You're probably already familiar with the basic search offered in the catalog. A basic search will get you started, but if you want to be able to do detailed and more targeted searching, it is important to be able to use the catalog's advanced search feature. From the Start page, click on Advanced Search. You will see 3 fields that you can start with, plus the piano keyboard for the music incipit search. This incipit search is explained in a different video. The advanced search is a powerful tool because it searches specific fields in RISM rather than just anywhere in the record. To use these most effectively, you have to use the search terms that RISM uses. The Help page lists all of the fields in the advanced search and tells you how to best search them. For example, if you are searching for a genre, use the term in English and in the plural. I'll show you the difference if you search for Sinfonie using this spelling. This is using the basic search, and I have 4,000 results. But these are records where Sinfonie appears anywhere in the record, including this one, where we really have sonatas and not a symphony. Let's search instead using the field genre and for symphonies in English and in the plural. We have over 20,000 results. RISM's advanced search allows you to search many of the music-specific fields that make RISM and this database unique: composer, genre, music incipit, catalog of works number, key, scoring, and plate number. It is also the best way to search for all sources from a particular country or city using the field Library Ziglum. And it will also help you find more relevant results when searching by key or scoring, for example. After you perform your first search, a 5th field will appear that keeps all of your previous searches. This is very useful, and it is explained in a different video. Autocomplete helps you for some of the fields, such as language and composer. When you search for a composer, all of our name variants are going to appear. These all point to the same composer, so it doesn't matter which one you pick. You can use Boolean search operators to combine different fields. The default is AND, but sometimes it is useful to exclude certain fields. For example, searching for Johann Sebastian Bach as composer, we have more than 8,000 results. But let's say we want to search for sources with his name, but where he has a different function. So you can enter his name in the field Other Names, and select Not, the field Composer, and the composer's name again. So, sources where his name appears, but not as composer. Here we have around 750 records now, where he is a dedicatee, or even copyist. To summarize, the advanced search should belong to any researcher's bag of tricks, but you should familiarize yourself with what you can search for and how using the help text. The advanced search helps you to exclude things you do not want and focus on the kinds of sources you are looking for. It can save time and increase the accuracy of your search. If you have any questions about searching in RISM, feel free to leave a comment below or send us an email. contact@rism.info. Thank you for your attention.